Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT on your mobile phone. ChatGPT is a powerful AI conversation tool that helps you with writing, learning, coding, brainstorming and more. This beginner-friendly tutorial will walk you through every step so that you can get the ChatGPT app running on your mobile device fast and easy. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store for those using Android, or you go over to your App Store for those using iPhone. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial. Let me tap on it to open it. You can see my Play Store is opening up. Now my Play Store has opened up. Now the next step now is to search for ChatGPT. I can do that by tapping on the search icon. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it real quick. Then let me tap on the search bar at the top. You can see the search bar where it is written search apps and games. So let me tap on it. Then what I will do now is to go ahead now to type in ChatGPT. So let me type in ChatGPT. You can see I'm done typing it. So let me go ahead now to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. You can see it down there. Right there is the ChatGPT. You can see it right there. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to tap on it to open up the web page. So let me do that. Right here you can see it more clearly. You can see the logo, you can see the name ChatGPT. So now for me to be able to download and install this app into my mobile phone, what I have to do now is to tap on install. So let me tap on install. You can see it right there. So you can see guys, I've started downloading. So once it gets to 100%, once it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. You can see guys, that is at 31%. It's getting to 50%. So once it gets to 100%, then we are good to go. So let's just wait patiently. So guys, you can see it's done downloading. Now it has started installing. Let's just wait for a few seconds. You see installing. Wow guys, you can see now the ChatGPT app is done downloading and installing. You can see it right there written installed. So now the next step now is to open up the app. So let me go ahead now to tap on open on the right hand side. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see now the ChatGPT app is opening. You can see guys, it's loading. So guys, now you can see what it says here, welcome to ChatGPT. So let me tap on continue down there. You can see it right there. Let me tap on continue. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to download and install the ChatGPT app, and this is how you can do it. So follow my process and you'll be able to do it. So guys, see you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.